Jai Guruji Maharaj, Jai Guruji Sangat Ji. Guruji my father, chapter 12, Relationship of a Guru and his disciple. In his early years, Guruji would say, मेरी फोटो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰੇਗੀ. My photo will talk to you. After a few years, the Sangat from abroad would share satsangs of how Guruji's photo talked to them as Amrit flowed out. A relationship between Guru Sahib and his Sangat is a wireless phone connection. One can be anywhere in the world, but the moment one's mind turns towards Guruji, he will know. On one occasion, Roma and we both were out for lunch. Sati was upset and both of them kept talking in detail about their woes. Later, that evening, Guruji scolded Roma and repeated the whole conversation to her, and she, in turn, the very next day scolded Sati in Guruji's tone, all that which Guruji had said to her. Amazing! Another incident that comes to mind of Sahib's way was with Lieutenant General Dipinder Singh. Uncle had reached Empire State with an acute headache. He asked Sudha auntie for 2 dispirins, which she did not have. As the hall was full, he quietly sat down outside in the veranda out of Guruji's sight. Dipinder uncle has great endurance for pain, so for him to ask for meditation meant the pain must have been intense. As time passed, a member of the Sangat brought Guruji's glass of tea for him. As he finished the tea, his headache disappeared. He walked inside to return the glass to the kitchen and turned to see Guruji with his head tied in a dupatta, complaining of immense pain. Uncle touched Guruji's feet with reverence. It is not a one-way connection. If Guruji can hear you, then he will make himself be heard by you as well. He said, you have to leave the outside and go within, to hear me within you. I am there inside all my devotees. He said that my true followers would always hear me within them, but there are rules to this as well. He said anything you hear from left ear is not to be listened to, but something in your right ear is your guide, and within the center will be me. He said, पहले कोई गल्ला नहीं करदे सी, मन तो गल्ला करदे सी, meaning in olden days people used to converse telepathically rather than through spoken words. He said that was the purest form of communication, and in time to come, his true Sangat would be able to communicate with each other telepathically. Such are the standards set by Guru Sahib for his Sangat. Today, 4 years into Guru Sahib Samadhi, we see his presence at all his places of worship. He has appeared in the Bada Mandir, where the Sangat has photographed his presence on various occasions. At his satsangs, which take place all over the world, Amrit flows out of his photos. His fragrance fills up the rooms. Om appears on rotis and in the flames of the diyas. In Guruji's room, in our home, we have witnessed his seat, hand and foot impressions on his gaddi on different occasions. We are truly blessed with the Puran Guru. Jai Guruji. Jai Guruji, Chapter 13, Aarti Ki Thali. Guru Sahib loves diyas, jot, agarbatti and dhoop. He would say, the fragrance of ghee pleases the Lord, and the fragrance of agarbatti and dhoop attracts the divine. For humans, it lifts their soul during prayers and make it lighter. In the mandir, the diyas in front of Shivji was always separate from the one that was used for aarti. He specified for a brass plate for his aarti ki thali. Guruji was very fond of brass. Once he sent Badan auntie in the mandir to teach me how to set the thali. Drawings of thali to be made with kesar and drops of water. First, one diya made of ghee with an upright wick. Second, moli. Third, tikka made with kesar, raw rice and few drops of water. Fourth, mithai, 5 pieces. 5th, dhoop. We first used to tie the moli to Guruji's hand, then put the tika and then do the aarti, Shivji ji ki aarti. Jai Guruji. Jai Guruji, Guruji my father, chapter 14, Lota, the copper vessel. It has to be shining and without any dent. This was the requirement of Guruji for the lota. Guruji would bless it and specify, आप पे आप साफ करना है, नौकरा नु नहीं देना. He said that if I can spend my energy blessing this lota for your problems, then you could also spend some time cleaning it up yourself. या ते राख नाल साफ करो या नींबू ते नमक नाल. जद तुसी अपने आप साफ करदे हो, तुसी मेरा ਨਾਂ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹੋ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ. ਉਸ ਪਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਫੇਰ ਤੋਂ ਬਲੈਸ ਕਰ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹਾਂ. He said this as I was very lazy about cleaning the lota myself. Guruji would hold the lota and bless it. He told us to drink half the lota first thing in the morning, then have a bath and pour the other half on top of us. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji.